Writing is either loved or loathed, depending on whom you ask. A student might dread writing essays, while an author finds joy in crafting stories. From a different perspective, writing can be a source of income through blogs or YouTube, or a form of self-expression through journaling. Let's explore how writing can benefit you professionally, financially, and personally. In recent years, terms like cold emails and cold DMs have gained popularity. But what do they mean? Let's understand with an example. Suppose you are applying for a position at Z company. Instead of just submitting your application, you can send a cold email to the recruiter or employer, introducing yourself, highlighting your skills and expertise, and explaining how you can contribute to the company. This proactive approach helps build a connection and increases your chances of landing a job. The same applies to cold DMs. If you're an aspiring video editor, you can send a direct message to a YouTuber showcasing an edited version of their video. This allows them to see your work firsthand and might even lead to a paid opportunity. Additionally, your CV plays a crucial role in job applications. A well-written CV with the right keywords and without unnecessary bluff can significantly improve its readability and impact. In schools and colleges, note-taking is an essential way to absorb information. With a good grasp of writing and structuring, you can enhance your notes, focusing on key points while filtering out unnecessary details. Additionally, assignments and reports play a major role in securing good grades. Presenting your work in a clear, structured manner leaves a strong impression on teachers and improve your academic performance. Now, let's get to the exciting part. How can you earn money by writing? The first one is blog or newsletter. Starting a blog is one of the easiest ways to begin your writing journey. It requires no upfront investment, just a phone or laptop and a topic you are passionate about. As your audience grows, you can monetize your blog or newsletter by offering paid subscriptions or advertisements. If your content offers unique insights, people will willingly pay to read what you write. Second is YouTube. It is a great platform for combining writing with other skills like speaking or animations. You can write a script, record yourself speaking it, and then add relevant animations to bring your words to life. That's exactly how this video works. I'm speaking a script I wrote while animations help me keep it engaging. As your YouTube channel gains traction, AdSense kicks in and you start earning revenue from ads on your videos. Third is copywriting or freelancing. If you enjoy writing but don't want to start a blog or YouTube channel, freelancing or copywriting are great alternatives. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect writers with their clients who need articles, marketing copy, or product descriptions. The more experienced you become, the higher your earning potential. These platforms offer flexibility, and as your audience or client base grows, so do your income opportunities. Beyond writing for others, you can also write for yourself through journaling or keeping a diary. Journaling allows you to unload your thoughts onto a paper without the fear of judgment or unsolicited advice. Your journal simply listens, capturing your experiences in your own words. Additionally, writing a journal can expand your vocabulary. When you struggle to describe an emotion or experience, you naturally seek new words, improving your language skills over time. The more you practice and refine your writing, the more opportunities will come your way. So start writing today. Who knows where it might take you? Until next time, peace out.